Hey, it's your boy JM3. Find me on Agent.ai. I have a new agent for you today. It's called the Sales Call Prepper, and this one focuses on industry insights. What's really great about this one is you can put in the website of a particular product, particular prospect, someone that you want to go and reach out to. You have no idea what they do, no idea whatsoever. So go into your agent, put in the website of the prospect that you're going to talk to. And what's going to happen is it's going to very, very, very quickly pull all of these industry insights out from the internet, out from the web, and pull that back for your reading pleasure. Here's how you use this information. Start out with the sound bites. Experts in this industry, they're going to be talking about these things. So here are questions you can use right off the front of the agent to tell you how to have an intelligent conversation. Also, there's a lot of conversation happening in each of these industries, and you need to kind of know what's going on there. So that's where your key talking points are going to come in. Finally, need something for the CRM. You've done your account research. That's where your industry briefing comes in. Check out the market overview, the current trends, and understand all of those common pain points. So when you have a conversation with one of your prospects, you know that you've got the industry insight. That's it for me, JM3. Find me on Agent.ai.